This gorgeous two-story home on a finished basement, tucked among the mature trees of Lofton Woods, awaits its new owner. Through the double entry door, you'll step through a grand foyer and into the fully renovated kitchen. This beautiful open kitchen has clean white cabinets, Cambria countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Just steps away is the dining area with views of the backyard through the sliding patio doors. In the family room, you'll find a brick fireplace, accented with built-in shelving and plenty of sunshine coming in through the large windows. 2 additional rooms on the main level can be utilized as a formal dining room and a second living area. The upper level houses all 4 bedrooms, each boasting generous closets, a loft, 2 full bathrooms, and a laundry chute. Down in the finished basement, there are endless opportunities for entertainment with plenty of space for a living area as well as recreation and games. Outside, you'll be pleased with the great-sized yard, patio space, and a variety of trees surrounding the property. This well-cared-for home, within minutes of shopping, restaurants, and trails, won't last long. Call Eddie Jemison before it's too late.